Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in today's video, we're gonna show you how the event-based selection work. Or basically, I'm gonna explain it to you how it works when syncing your registration data or contact organizer data with Sendinblue in a cron job. Okay, so in our previous video, I showed you how it works in a auto mode, but we're using when you create it. That's the settings we are still using here. But let me show you how it works in a cron job mode. All right, so unfortunately, since it's cron job mode, I won't be able to demonstrate that since cron job runs in a time of interval, but I will be able to explain it to you like how it works very shortly. So let's get right into it. And as you can see, we have selected event based selection over here and mode is set to auto. But firstly, we will have to select a cron job schedule. So let's select the 5-minute schedule and save our changes. Then a major setting that we'll need to configure will be selecting a specific list for our events. Okay, so this is pretty similar to what we saw in the when you created settings when using with event based selection. Pretty simple. All you have to do to create like a new list or like assign a new list to your specific events, you can click on this details button, and over here again by default Sendinblue syncing or synchronization will be disabled if you are using event based selection and if you have not binded any list to your event yet. So by default it will be disabled. We are working on a fallback detection, like whether if like event doesn't have Sendinblue integration with it, then it will fall back to a default list in the Sendinblue, right? So that's like a coming in feature and it will be available very shortly. But if you want to bind an existing list of your in Sendinblue with your particular event, it's pretty simple. Under the event details section, you will find this Sendinblue column where you will be able to select your list that will be coming from Sendinblue. So if you ask me how to create a new list, that's pretty easy as well. So to like create a new list, you can come to your Sendinblue dashboard, come to contacts, then go to lists, and over there you will find all of your lists. So currently we have 4 lists, and over here you will be able to create a new list using that button. And over here you can type in any of your desired name over here and create a list. So this will obviously create a new empty list and you will be able to use it now after. So since we have created event 4 right now and we have not reloaded this page, it won't show up over here, but when you reload this page, event 4 will be showing up over here. All right, so keeping that aside, that's how to create like a new list on your Sendinblue dashboard. But let me show you how to assign one in your event dashboard. So all you have to do is select the list from the drop down. That's it. No save button, nothing, is totally automatic. Whenever you select like item or like a list from this drop down, it automatically gets saved or it automatically gets binded to that event of yours. All right, so I can show you like a different demonstration over here as well. So event 2 and event 3. So when you have done that, okay, and if we wait let's say 5 minutes or so to cron job to run, when the cron job runs, it's gonna sync the registration 2 or like 2 registrations for this tech job fair to event 3 list, 3 registrations from this higher tech talent to event 2 list, and 1 registration from Germany start job to Sendinblue event 1 list. So bear with me till the cron job runs, and I'm gonna show you a demonstration of the lists or like contacts over here in the Sendinblue itself. So very shortly in your screen you will be seeing those reflecting. So when we reloaded the contact list on the Sendinblue dashboard, you can see like we have all the various data over here. So if you remember correctly, we should have event 1 or like event 1 list should have 1 contact from the event dashboard. Event 2 list should have 3, and event 3 should have 2 contacts in their list. So let me verify this. So this is after the cron job been run. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so we can first start from event 1, and theoretically it should have 1 contact over here in the list, and that we have over here, as you can see, worked correctly. And then we have event 2, and in this page we should have 3 contacts. Again in the list we have 3 contacts, and then in the event 4 in the event 3 we should have 2 contacts in the list. So right there you can see the count over there. Let it load there. So I want to clear one disclaimer first. That is, if you already have a contact added in your Sendinblue dashboard, it can be in a list, it can be in a global list, doesn't matter. But if you have a contact already added in your uh, Sendinblue dashboard, it won't get synced to a new list. Since the way it works from the WordPress dashboard, it tries to create and contact using API in Sendinblue List. So since you already have a contact, or like you already have that contact in your Sendinblue dashboard, it will refuse to create it, and it will pop out and it or like throw out a message saying contact already exists. So if you fail to see some of your contacts missing on your event based list, don't get panicked, because they already exist on your other list or in your global list. So this is a small bit of consideration to have when you are using this Sendinblue add-on synchronization feature with the WordPress dashboard. So this is like technical limitations, you can say. We are working on to get around it and hope to see a fix very soon in place. So yeah, meanwhile, feel free to explore the plugin. If you have any kind of queries, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to help you out in there, or if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, you can pop them out as well. So until next time, I'm Shah saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.